Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC, all done with the T6.4 build. So I did finish it up and paint it and everything, got everything installed. As you can see, actually my stock T6.2 body fits just fine, so I'm just reusing that, so I didn't need to buy a new body or anything like that. Also just reusing the wheels and tires from my T6.2. So yeah, I got it all finished up. Couple little minor issues I did have. The top shaft here, I had a problem getting this long bolt through it, so I had to just ream it out a little bit with a 3mm basically drill bit. For whatever reason, just the tolerances were off a little bit. Also, the idler pin or idler shaft that holds the idler gear in place also seemed a little bit large, so I kind of had to force it onto the bearings. Not sure what was going on there. My T6.2 idler gear was fine, so just something I had to do. But other than that, the build was quite easy, quite fast. I am running some optional parts. I am actually running a titanium bolt here, but even the steel bolt had issues going through the top shaft. I'm running Witz Racing bearings throughout, Witz Racing 13.5 turn motor, Witz Racing hyper cool fan there in the back, so to keep everything nice and cool. We do have a 20% off coupon code, so if you want any of these products, check them out in the link in the description below. Also running a gear diff in the rear transmission here, obviously. Also running a steel bulkhead up here in the front, so you can kind of see it right there. And then I think that's about it for the optional parts. The rest is all kit parts. I'm running kind of a weird setup. I just kind of picked something that I thought might work. It wasn't perfect, definitely need to make some more changes. 37.5 weight oil in front. I was running 30 weight in the rear, but I would probably go up to 35 weight. I think that would be a lot closer to correct. Savox 1267 SG servo, Hobby Wing XRT stock spec ESC, and a Sanwa RX482 receiver there. So yeah, truck drove well. Got a chance to drive it out on a pretty busy day, so a lot of other vehicles out there on the tracks makes it kind of fun, but it does make it a little bit more challenging to get into clean laps, but you know, it's definitely fun. Also got to meet some cool people out there at the track, so that's always nice as well. So yeah, vehicle worked well. Definitely working on some more setup changes. Oh, another issue, the front sway bar did seem a little bit difficult to push on. That there's a little like aluminum collar here in the front that holds it in place. I don't know, for whatever reason I like force that on. It just seemed to be made a little bit small to me, but yeah, something else I noticed. But yeah, vehicle worked well. Definitely a lot of fun, carries a lot of speed. I do need to work on the setup quite a bit. Like my rear diff is pretty much empty. I just pulled it out of my T6.2 gear differential, but I think all the fluid had leaked out, so I basically had like an open diff out there. Made it a little bit challenging drive, but fun little truck. And I do have some running footage as well that you can check out here. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe buttons if you haven't already. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.
Oh, that's a T6.4.
Yeah, just first time driving it, so.
29.4, 24.4.
All right, this is a 105 Sportsman 3 minutes. 3 minutes where you don't want to be.
A little higher.
All right. This one's going to be there. Speed Marco, Brett Stan Allen, Easter, Austin Cricket.
5 and 7.
First of all, we'll be on modified code for our main window.
Oh, see, they have the 458 and the DFC can do 70 amps. So, yeah, it's not Cliff, what charger do you have? Yeah, what charger? Oh, he has charger with me. Use one. Oh, all right. That's a small little yellow.
21.5.
Oh, charger inside.
21 flat.
Thank you.
I was trying to get the space.
Yeah.
I didn't think I was going to get there.
It's all good.
6 flat. 36.5. 36.7. 58.4. 53.
What's that? Is that the new 6.4?
Yeah.
Me too. This is like my third time running.
Is this you're the blue car? Alright.
The blue one.
Yeah, right behind me. Nice. Yeah, that was my first time driving it. It's, yeah.
Oh yeah, I was watching your videos. You made me want to buy one.
Really?
And I was like, I want to be in the video,
You're good.
custom video or your custom.
Yeah, well, you're kicking my butt.
That's why I was trying to follow.
You're kicking my butt. Oh. Did you have a T6.2 too, or?
I had a 6.1 and then I bought that.
Oh,
It's
geez.
a second faster than what I had.
Oh, really? Yeah. What shocks are you running? You know the oils and stuff, or?
Right now I'm running 37 and a half and then 35.
Yeah.
I didn't follow totally the box kit tune. I just put my shocks and then the gear there.
Yeah.
Now we're all running like 30K oil and 2 gear.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, I'm running 37.5 and 30, but I'm like, the rear is way too light. Like, it just smacks right there.
Like on the box tune, it's like 30-30.
Yeah, I'm
So
like,
I'm thinking,
okay.
should I even it out?
No, I don't think so. No, I think 37.5, 35 is going to be pretty close. I don't know. I mean, I'm going to definitely try that next. Oh. Go. You're funny, huh? Front straight away.
17.4.
Straight away.
17.8.
We got 150 down, driving 3 and 2 go.
19 flat.
205 down, driving. Andy Martin Billy, you're leading the country.
20 flat.
USGP up next. USGP will be up next.
22.2. 17.40. 19.1. 19.2.
2 to go, driving. And you want to set the pace.
Got so much more army.
Marshall Crawford in here.
45.1.
I think 29 and then whatever, or no, 20 and whatever the stock
Stock spare.
spur.
I'm at 25. That's why I think my.
Oh yeah, I need to gear up a little. I think. Are you running a Team Powers motor or anything? Or?
Yeah, the V5. No, actually V4 or V3 one.
Outside on the straightaway. Go outside. Thank you.
18 flat. 20.1.
Oh, they.
4.3. 37.3.
All right, so just to let
I'm trying to save you. Sorry, man. I tried to get you. Let me split. I'll get it.
Euro Cup bus